really succeed. Okay? Kasi paunti na paunti, ang nangyari is environment is stronger than willpower. No? Kung yung environment mo is mahina, pati ikaw hina. So ang ginawa ko was, kailangan ko maghanap ng ibang environment. So ako, personally, even yung batchmates ko, kaya nga tayo, diba, we do this call for AG na pwede pati mga alumni, no, or yung new members pumasok. Kasi nga, baka yun pa yung time that they're ready, no, yung video hub natin. So ako, ganun yung nangyari. No? Yung current group ko, no, yung parang batchmates ko back then, wala, puro nag-inactive na. So I had to seek out people, no, that were actively trading. Yun yung batch earlier than me, no, sino Boss Irvs, sino Boss Melvin, no? So that was way back then when you're part of ZFT. Okay? So nangapit bahay ako. Sabi ko, uy, pwede ba akong sumali dyan sa group nyo? Kasi ganun din na kayo sa batch na gano'n. Parang wala, ang dami rin naga, ang dami rin nawala, naging inactive. Parang umabot sa point na 4 na lang sila na active dun sa batch nila. Tapos nawala isa, yung girl na isa, si Maika. Okay. Then ako yung parang nakisali sa kanila. Okay. So eventually, we became 4 in the group. Okay. And ganun ang context namin. Wala pang magaling sa amin mag-trade nun. So we're a group of up-and-coming traders, no, trying to really build our systems, no, trying to really help each other, no, reach our goals. Okay. And then, yun, very strong yung context namin as a group. No? Talagang no secrets, no hard feelings. Okay? Tipong, mag-share kami. Okay ka ako, when I came up with my screener, share ko sana. Kaya nga dati when we're doing PAC back then, yung process na talagang yun yung ginagawa rin. Ginagawa ko rin, parang ganun. We're really sharing each other. No? Yung losses namin, transparent. As in, peso amounts yung pinapakita namin sa isa't isa. Wins namin, pinapakita namin sa isa't isa. So we were very transparent with each other. No? To the point na parang, we were able to really give feedback to one another. Parang, pakit ang trade mo, ba't mo ito tinrade, no? Ba't ganito yung cut mo? Ganun level kami nagpupulisan, nagiging accountable with each other, no? Parang, nagawa mo na ba tong ano mo, ganitong process mo, nakapag-journal ka na ba? As in, ganun kami ko-open with each other, no? And it really helped push each and every one of us to reaching our goals as a trader. As in, to the point na parang sabay-sabay kami nag-full time, no? Parang ganun level na parang nung meron na isang nagiging magaling, nakakuha ng results, no, nagkakahawaan. No? Nung nag-full time yung isa, lahat kami, sabi-sabi nag-ipafil. That was around end of 2015, I think. No, parang nauna ako mag-full time in October, tapos November nag-resign si Boss Mel, December nag-resign si Herbs. Tapos, first time namin nagkita-kita in person nung January, parang ganyan yung nangyari. Nung umuwi na si Boss Herbs dito sa Manila. Okay? And then yun, nung nag-meet up kami, hindi pa rin naman pulido or solid yung system namin. No? We were just really meeting up, no? Every Saturday yon, no? Talagang really just doing the work, no? Putting in the work towards really building system. So, hindi kami tipong age na lahat magaling na agad o may magaling sa amin, no? It was really a work in progress and we're really pulling each other up. No? Hanggang sa, okay na kami, no? Nabot namin yung success na gusto namin sa trading. So, for me, hindi ko matatago na very big part and very big deal yung having an accountability group dun sa naging success ko sa trading. No, if wala sila, I wouldn't be here today, for sure. Kasi ang dami, napakadami nilang ideas na nabigay sa akin, dami nilang na-clear up na concepts, ang dami kong naging parang breakthrough kasi meron akong kabatuan na ideas, even in terms of intangibles or mindset, meron akong mga kausap that were going under the same hardships, difficulties as me. Okay. So yun yung maganda when you have an AG. May ba din makapag-share? So, kunwari, ikaw, Chan, very, very short lang, no? Kasi kayo isa sa okay na AGs eh. May ano may share mo about yung naging help ng isang AG para sa'yo?
Hello, Sir Seth. Rinig po ba?
Ah,
Yun. So, sa amin kasi, yung sinabi ni Sir Seth na nagtutulungan or naghihilahan. So, recently, ang na-observe ko sa amin, yung lalo na yung pumasok yung new batch, halos nag-backtest ulit karamihan. Kasi nga, I mean, since bago yung platform ng Clarity, kailangan namin ma-improve or kailangan namin mas detailed yung parameters namin. So, nauna kasi si Ira or si Zai, then unti-unti ako nag-backtest na din. So, yun. So, pag yung ganong idea na parang may isang parang may idea kung paano mag-improve, nang hahawa talaga sila. So, yun yung parang key takeaways ko sa accountability group namin.
yeah. So good, no? So yun na, yun maganda eh. If you have a very strong accountability group, nagkakahawaan with each other. Okay? So yun ang keyword natin, no? What makes accountability groups work? It's really this word, commitment. Okay? So again, tinatakot ko kayo. That's really my goal for tonight, no? If takot kayo sa commitment, ehem. Think twice. No? If hindi pa kayo ready sa word of commitment, think twice. Kasi ayoko ng mga karinig, okay? Na after a few days, after a few weeks, sir, si ganito, hindi na active sa amin. Huwag ka na sumagi in the first place. After a few, if you can't see yourself committing to an AG, okay? Huwag na kayo sumagi. It means you're not prepared pa. Hindi ka pa, wala ka pa sa B phase. Okay? I want you, no, to help others be accountable for the trading progress because you also need help in keeping yourself accountable in progressing. Okay? Type the word commitment if you believe in the word commitment. Yung bata, di naniniwala. Ano? Hindi yata nag-type si Ice Money. May outs. Wala, di naniniwala, Franz. Napigitan, no? Okay, so again, this is what makes AGs work for me. Kaya it's not something that you need to force on people. No? I want it to become na parang kayo lapit. Okay, ready na ako. Hindi naman to yung last call for AG. We do this every time a new batch comes in. No? So, kaya nga meron tayong alumni na sumasali. No? Kasi all of them sasabihin, sir, I know for a fact ng today, no, or at this moment, this month, di pa ako ready to commit to an AG. So, pass muna ako. Ayokong magipabigat sa ibang tao. Okay. So if you think you're ready, then go, then join. Ano ba yung objectives of an AG? Again, to help you guys keep on track, no? Set and have individual goals. Dapat important to, no? You should have individual goals, no? Then you just ask for help na ma-push kayo ma-achieve yun. Okay, create a safe space. This is also very very important, no? Ayoko ng AG na nag-aaway, no? Yung mga immature AGs, no? Dapat nakaset agad yung context nyo that it's a safe space, no? No judgments. Anyone can share it. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo kanina, no? Kami noon back then, walang hard feelings na parang pangit ang trade mo. Because, objective ka, be objective about it, no? Kasi ganito. No? Anong ginawa mo, no? Ba't kaya hindi sumunod sa rules mo? So talagang, literally, no? You hold each other accountable. Bakit? It comes out of love naman. Okay? It comes out of the context of love and caring for the individual. No? Hindi ka na mumulis, hindi ka nag-hold accountable kasi galit ka sa kanila. It's because you want them to improve. Yun dapat ang context nyo. So, isiset nyo naman yan. No? Kasi nga, may naman kayo first meetings doon sa ages nyo. Set yung ganong context na, okay, no? Magpupulisan tayo dito, walang piko, walang asaran. Okay? To create a nurturing environment. Ito, sabi nga, no, a while ago, no? It's a group for you to grow and thrive as individuals together. No? Nag-grow kayo together, no, on each of your personal goals. Okay, and then ito nga, give immediate feedback. Kasi nga, my goal is to help you pag sobrang nasa level na for escalation yung issue, no? Kung meron kayong hindi magets sa technical concept, no? This yun. We have our coaching sessions, no? Meron kayong hindi ma-resolve na mindset or intangibles issue, erase nyo. Okay? So at least meron tayong added level of information flow. Hindi nyo kailangang hintayin yung monthly natin, no? Para nga ma-resolve yung issues. Yun yung isang napansin ko. Like, for example, sabi ko dun sa mga nag-day trade, no? Sabi ko, huwag nyo na hintayin yung mga monthly reviews natin kasi I'm seeing na yung iba sa inyo, meron ng parang kailangan ayusin na problema. For example, yung drawdowns, patulang mga circuit breaker, dapat, pag meron na kayong drawdown na parang, oops, papunta na sa malalang point, you stop, you reach out to your AG. No? Dapat polisin ka nila. Yung iba kasi nahihiya. Again, nagkamali. No? Wala, hindi patanggap yung context ng AG na dapat safe space siya. Pag kayo nahihiyang magsabi ng problema ng issue nyo sa AG nyo, wala kayo sa B. No? You're not prepared. Hindi ka committed na magsabi. Hindi ka committed na humingi ng tulong. Okay, hindi ka pa ready maging part of an AG kapag ganun. Okay? Is that clear, guys? Yung objectives natin when you want to join an AG? Type objectives if it's clear. Okay? No qualifications. Okay? Hindi rin para sa lahat ang AG. Okay? Yung mga gusto sumali ng AG, dapat, sabi natin, no, be, do, have. Nandito na kayo. No? First is that, dapat ready kayo mag-contribute. Ito sabi ko, no, hindi pwedeng para kayo ginta. No? Sasali kayo kasi kayo may gusto makakuha ng information. Ang daming ganun. No? Yun yung napaka-maging context ng AG. Sasali sa group kasi nabo-FOMO, baka may alam sila dyan, may magaling dyan, may matutunan ako dyan. Pero anong mangyayari? Hindi nag-chat, hindi nag-update, walang binibigay back to their AG. Nagkakahawaan. Eh, hindi naman ito nag-chat, pero nasa AG namin. No? Hindi na din ako mag-chat, hindi na din ako magbibigay ng charts, hindi na ako mag-send. No? Pag ganun, pag binakita kayo ng AG, cut them off immediately. Di ba? The weakest link, tanggalin nyo agad. Dapat ganun din, walang personalan, guys. When you're joining an AG, if they kick you out, walang personalan. As long as there's a valid reason. Subuhin sa akin pag kunyari, walang valid reason, tapos kinik kayo. Pero basta kunyari, ano, kasi yun yung mga, ano, let's say, you're 6 in a group. Okay, may weak link agad. Mahahawa niya iba pag, pero you have to give them a chance, no? Yun yung context natin. No? May weak link, kausapin nyo. Dapat, you come from a point of caring and loving, no? Uy, kamusta? Ba't di ka nakakaano? No? May valid excuses naman kasi minsan. No? May family issue and so on. So you have to understand them naman. So kunyari, repeating yung problema, as in after ilang months or a year, wala tagang kinontribute at all, no? Remove nyo na naman. Kasi they can join naman in the future. Okay? Kasi pag pinatagal nyo, okay, magkakahawaan. Makikita na ibang kasama niyo. Okay, again, ito yung very important, no? You have to be very, very coachable. No egos allowed. This is very important, no? Pag tingin mo egotistic ang tao, if your feelings get hurt easily, no? Given na yung context of safe space, no? Baka may hirapan ka mag-join na AG. Again, ito yung very important, no? Be willing to call out others and be willing to call out. Again, it's important that you come from a point of constructive feedback. Hindi pwedeng sabi ka ng walang rason. And also within allowable boundaries. No? Walang personalan. Pag sabi mo yung feedback mo, na constructive, no, do it respectfully and maturely. Okay? Please be mature enough not to cause personal issues. Otherwise, again, that's not an AG. That's very healthy. Okay? Be a team player and an action taker. Okay? Lahat kayo dapat tumutulong. And ito pa very important. No? Be an active initiator. Ito isa napansin ko din sa very strong AGs. Okay? Sabi ko nga hindi isang leader lang ang hihintayin nyo. Kasi pag na-busy si leader, mamamatay AG. Okay? Imagine a group wherein lahat doon initiator. Di ba? Member 1 initiates this task. Member 2 initiates this one. Member 3 initiates this one. Never mamatay AG nyo. Kasi laging may nangyayari, laging may pinag-uusapan. No? And again, yung ini-initiate nyo, hindi lang naman yan kailangan parang puro primary objective, no? You can also have secondary objectives, no? Yan yan. Initiate conversations, initiate sharings, no? Yung mga latest chika minute. That's an active contribution. Pero yun yung role mo, no? Again, hanap na kayo ng magiging role nyo, no? Ako, ang role ko is taga-police, no? Ako, ang role ko is to initiate yung mga reminders ng mga meeting, ng mga webinar. Ako, ang role ko is to organize our Discord. Dito, guys, yung mga charts natin, no? Ako, ang role ko is to monitor yung mga deliverables. Ako, ang role ko is to send the morning chismis, parang gano'n, no? So, always initiate, no? Whatever that is. Kailangan lang mayroon kayong kinocontribute sa group niyo. Okay. Questions guys so far? Meron kayong questions? Nag-reflect pa ba? Kung sasali pa kayo. So, yun yung nangyari usually, no? Nag-reflect yung mga tao na kung sasali pa sila sa AG. Questions, guys? None pa? Sige. Ba't may mga alumni na may AG na dito? Sige. So, that should be code of honor, no? To give context. Sige, share nga kayo. Sino ba yung mga... Ayan. So, again, ikaw, anong naging success metrics nyo? Ba't tingin mo successful yung aging nyo?
Tinawag agad, wait lang.
Sabi mo,
Ano?
magbigay ka context.
Wala. Actually, bago ko mag-join dito sa call, nag-usap kami nung isa ko pang AG. Parang nakadalawang call na kami. Yung isa, nagkikwento siya ng struggles niya na kung kailan siya nag-DYM, nasira yung trades niya, ganun-ganun. So kami, parang pinupulis namin na parang, kasi ganito, ganyan. Tapos, ayun, parang sponge naman siya, accepting, tapos nagte-thank you siya after. Ayun, ganun kami. Tapos minsan, sa sobrang kakatanong ko dun sa isa, yung kay Mike, to the point na pag nakita ko yung chart, alam ko na agad kung saan siya papasok. So, kaya ko na agad sabihin na, o bakit ka pumasok dyan? Eh, hindi mo naman yan entry. Tapos yun, parang, tapos everyday siya na ganun. Parang everyday kayo excited mag-chart, pagkagising pa lang, nagtatanong na agad, anong trade, ganun. Tapos, hindi lang yon mixed yung conversation. Kunwari, before kami nag-call kanina, yung isa nagkikwento pa nung parang problem niya sa work. Tapos, ayun, nag-call na kami. So, parang, ano siya, hindi lang puro trading. Siguro doon din mag-form yung bond. Ang hirap kasi maging vulnerable sa bago mo pa lang nakikilala or hindi mo pa
Mm.
nami-meet. So, hindi ka open to be called out. Kung hindi ka magiging open as a person, hindi mo naman kailangan ikwento yung buong buhay mo, pero yung iba mong problem, pwede mo ikwento. Kasi parang same lang din naman yung problem sa trading. Ayun, tapos ano pa ba? Nagkita din kami regularly. So, mas maganda yung nagkikita kasi parang iba pa din na, iba yung kwentuhan, gano'n. So, mas nakahelp din yun. Nagiinuman na kami, mga gano'n. Tapos yung recent, nagpunta kami ng Siargao, mga gano'n. Pero, mag-evolve naman yun eh. Tapos, ayun, walang mahiyain sa AJ dapat. Meron mga introvert sa Discord, parang hindi mo mararamdaman na nag-i-exist sila sa Discord nung, kunwari sa Clarity. Yung mararamdaman, meron kami kay AJ dun sa isa kong AG na nasa Clarity, hindi mo naman siya mararamdaman dun. Pero dun sa AG namin, active siya. Parang ganun. So, kung mahayaan ka sa malaking crowd, pero dapat sa AG nyo, active ka, ganun. Tapos, meron minsan sa amin nagsasabi na hindi siya makaka-attend dahil ganito, ganyan. Ayun lang, parang open lang, ganun.
Yun. So, very important yun, no? So, actually, ay tama yung sabi mo, no? Ang dami din talaga na parang mahihain, no? In a big group. Pero once they're in the AG, no? Yan, parang they're always able to really grow out of their shell. So, it's good. Kasi nakita ko naman na talaga nag-improve yung mga iba na naging part na ng successful AGs. Again, kasi nga, naging strong ang context nila. Hindi naman lahat ng AGs nagsasucceed. Ako, expect ko na, no? Parang kung mag-get tonight. No? If we build AGs, baka around 50% to 80% dyan yung magsasucceed. The rest, mga wala din. Okay? So, it's very important na parang ready talaga. Prepare talaga yung mga mag-join. Okay? Then yun nga, it's very important to really build an emotional bond with each other para nga magawa nyo yung mga objectives ng isang AG. Okay? So, code of honor. No? Ito yung very important din. That is something that kailangan nyo makonsider when you're joining AG. No? The reason why hindi nagsa-succeed ang ibang AGs is because they prioritize their individual needs, individual aspects. Okay, ano yung sabihin nito? Okay, ito kasi, ito yung ginagamit ng mga sundalo, no? The code of honor of soldiers. Okay? Mission first, team second, individual last. The concept of this one is that kapag may sinet kayo, no? Let's say meeting, no, objective or goal for your AG, no? You have to respect that, no? Kaya ito yung time block natin for our AG meeting. So, bigyan mo ng oras yan. Kasi yun yung isang pinaka magiging problema nyo, no? Yung ibang members dyan, lagi ang maging excuse would be walang oras, walang time. Hindi a-attend, no, ng mga regular calls or regular meetings nyo because they have their excuses. If it's about excuse, then possible. Pero kaya very regular, and naging sabi na, ay, wala akong time, ay, mayroon kasi akong ganito-ganito. Ibig sabihin nun would be, they're using the individual first, no? Inuuna nila yung sarili nila instead of the mission of the accountability group. So pag ganun, they might not be ready pa to become part of an AG. So it's very, very important, no? You respect this code of honor, no? Ano ba yung mga na ideas within that one? So ito yung mga pwede niyo pang pag-usapan, no? When you have your first AG meeting. So first context would be mission first, team second, individual last. Okay. Next would be ito, be vulnerable, always be open. Sabi nga nito kanina, no, again, no? Very important that you're able to really build an emotional bond with each other para ready na kayo mag-open up. Sabi nga nila, vulnerability is a sign of strength, not weakness. Bakit? Kasi kapag vulnerable ka, it means that you're willing to ask for help. Wala kang ego at all. Never abandon teammate in need. It's very important as well, no? Alam mo, kapag merong isang may kailangan ng tulong sa AG mo, no, you reach out to them, no? Give them help. Okay, so ito nga, no? Walang egos as well, be willing to call and be called out, no? Kaya rin walang isang leader lang is because you can call each other out. Lahat kayo leaders in your own individual right. No? Be accountable and take responsibility. This is also very important. No? Pag may mga tasks kayo, pag may mga deliverables kayo for the group, gawin nyo. Okay? Be willing to coach and be coached. Okay? Be always present. Yan sabi ko, no? Pag mayroon kayo mga meeting, pag mayroon kayo mga gagawin, no? Shift kayo ng hat, no? Outside of the AG, syempre, di ba? You have your individual first, no? Your family first. That's outside of the context of the AG. Pero yung mga iba, no? Once you have your time block, okay, let's say Fridays, itong oras ng gabi. Okay, yun yung time block natin. I-block nyo na yun sa calendars nyo, no? Involve yun na ibang tao na parang, oy, ganito yung oras ko, mayroon ako time block for this one. Para maintindihan nila, no? Yung iba nga, ang galing sa ibang AG, talaga nagpapayabangan pa sila na, nung na-meet ko sila, parang, sir, wala akong kahit isang absence. No? Nung nagpunta ako sa Davao, yan, galing na sa AG, yung Atomic 9. Talagang gusto nila, walang absent dun sa meeting nila. Yung tipong kahit nag-travel, they allot that time to attend the AG call. Kahit ano lang sila, virtual, kahit mobile sila. Kung gusto nila i-keep yung perfect attendance record nila. So, ang galing, no? So, yung sample ng parang sobrang na-build na yung strong context. Why? Because siguro they have really a strong respect and love for their team. No? Sobrang well-bonded na talaga nila. Yun yung nangyari. Okay, celebrate wins is also very important, no? If notice, dun din sa community natin, it's a culture we want to influence with each other, no? Lahat kino-congratulate nyo, kahit anong panalo pa yan, whether it's a small win, kahit sa demo pa yan, kahit anong bagay pa yan, no? Kahit masarap na pagkain, sa workout nila, they put in a good workout, no? We celebrate that win. No? It's the concept of the attitude of gratitude. And if you do that, no, nagiging maganda yung environment nyo sa aging nyo. Okay? Nagkaroon na siya ng jowa, i-celebrate yan. Okay? And lastly is always be prepared. Okay? Pag mayroon binigay sa inyo na gawain na task, no, do that for your AG. Okay? Sige. So, actually, yun naman yung yung gusto kong paintindi sa inyo na context of what an AG is. Ang next would be, we have an open Q&A. No? Mayroon ba kayong tanong, feedback, no, clarifications about what it is to join an AG? Then we'll go on with yung final, which is yung call for an AG na, yung i-fill up yun na form. Sige. Any questions, guys? May tanong ba kayo? Ayun na, huwag na mahiya. Anything? Kaya ba show port pag AG? Di naman, no? Hindi naman kaya mag-show port, no? Ang kaya nga matanong would be, no, ba't ka nahiya mag-show port? Ngayon ka na bang gamitin bigis for judgments? No, ay, ang liit ng port nito. Mga ganun, di ba? Baka iniisip mo eh. Ba't wala kayong ganun? Kasi wala isa din yung context na parang, okay, wala ito sa payabangan ng port. Ang goal natin is to grow the portfolio. So it doesn't matter where you start from. Diba? Pag ganun yung concept pa ng ba't ka nahiya mag-show ng port, may magi. Okay? Kasi ang goal is, kaya ka nag-show ng port is, kunwari pag may mga drawdown ka, focusing ka agad. Kasi pag di mo kaya ipakita yung port mo na may talo, may magi. Diba? Hindi ka vulnerable. Successful AG within Karatin outside of PH? Yes, meron. So, meron tayo nung isang sobrang active na AG. Ano yun? Pinagsama-sama ko yung Cebu sa Japan. Wala dito, sinamamilit. Yun, very active yung AG nila. Yun yung minute sa Cebu na AG. So, half yun na Japan, half na Cebu. Okay? So, ang kailangan niya talaga is you show up. No? You really show up to AG. Europe time zone, yung dati kasi yung yung mga Dubai and Qatar, very active sila before eh. Kaso naging na ngayon, naging inactive na rin sila. Pero before, mayroon sobrang active eh, na Dubai and Qatar na group. Yung iba din kasi nagsiuwian na. Yun yung nangyari. Okay? Nagsiuwian na yung iba. So, nag-iba na rin. Hindi ko sure dito si Boss Juan eh. So yun, meron mga taga Dubai, Qatar, umuwi na rin kasi. Ayan, ito, si Boss Juan. Diba? Ayan. So yun nangyari at Bev. Nag-Canada din iba. So dati before, there was a very active Qatar and Dubai group. Wiki, one. Parang si Ma'am Guns din, nag-lead. Wiki kayo na nakita ko eh. Nag-post kayo. Tapos yung iba, umuwi na ng Pinas, iba nag-migrate Canada. Yan. So, yun yung isang ibang problem. So, otherwise, pwede naman kayo na mag-join ng AG, pero dapat makapag-agree nga kayo sa isang time zone. So, nasa form naman yun kung ano yung common time nyo. Kasi, ito, nag-explain. Okay? Dapat ba same location? It's preferred, no? So, what I do is I analyze. So, tatlo yung options yung nga. No? Option 1 is may naka-existing AG. What you do is, after this meeting, register na AG nyo. Members, sino kayo. And then, follow yung magiging first agenda natin. So, I'll be sending yung first agenda. Okay? Next would be, pag may mga AGs na gusto maghingi ng parang yung members, you can join that one as well. Okay? Or otherwise, I group you. Ako na mag-group sa inyo. Doon na-analyze ko yung profiles nyo. Usually, I check for markets that you want to trade, time zone, yung answer nyo sa availability nyo, time availability nyo, tapos, ano ba, yung mga hobbies, interest. So, doon ko tinatry tingnan kung paano yung mag-age nyo. I try to put you within the same context as other people. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Okay. Usually naman nata ang AG meetings gabi. Madalas gabi. So, baka sa ibang time zone that would be afternoon. Required ba, sir, yung punishment to motivate and do what is required sa AG? For me, it's also a success factor sa plus metric, no? Yung meron kayong agreed upon na punishment system. Kasi part din yan ng what do you call this, yung sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, no? To move you to change, dalawa lang talaga yan. It's either, to move you to action, it's either pressure or pain. Doon kaya mag-revolve around it. Pag wala daw yung dalawang factor na yun, walang magbabago usually. Okay, or hindi ka mo-motivate na gawin isang bagay. So it's either you get pressure from it, you get pain from it. Okay? So doon kayo ikot, no? Either meron kayong reward system, that's the pressure, or meron kayong penalty system, that's the punishment, that's the pain. Okay, so like, sa amin, or bigyan ko yung samples, no? Sa amin sa AG back then, meron kami mga penalty system for deliveries, no? So bayad ka, pag late ka sa meetings, bayad ka. Tapos yung maiipon namin na yun, we use that naman for the funds of the AG. Whether it's for outreach activities, pag may gusto kami i-donate, pag may gusto kami i-celebrate, pwedeng nakaipon kami yung AG namin, tapos gusto namin lumabas, kakain kami sa labas, yung nagamit namin, yung AG funds, parang gano'n. Okay, pero ang goal is, mayroon pa yung punishment. So, yun yung ginawa namin. So, dapat ba weekly meeting? For me, it's healthy. So, parang meron din ganyan eh. Pag hindi kayo nag-meet, unhealthy rin yun. Pag lagi kayo nag-meet, mauumay kayo with each other. Meeting kasi is parang something na parang meron kayong gagawin formally. No? Sa simula, I think you should have that kind of formal setup. Pag tumagal, yun yung parang medyo hindi na. Kasi ganoon kami. Back then, we started out with really a formal Saturday meeting na may objectives, na may gagawin, na may deliverables. Bakit? Kasi gusto namin na talagang parang very, very, what do you call this? Very formal yung nagawin namin progress towards sa trading. Okay? Pero nung tumagal, wala, nagbago na tayo lahat. Yung chat namin, wala nang tungkol sa trading, puro kalokohan na. Meeting, wala, kung kaya na lang, no? Tambay, hangout, kung gusto mo magkwentuhan, sige, go. Parang ganyan nangyari. Okay, pero at the start, I would advise you guys to form some sort of structure. No? Kasi wala pa nga kayo emotional bond, tapos di na kayo mag-meet agad. Di na kayo gagawa ng mga regular meetings. Hindi ka talaga magiging well-bonded with each other. Baka nga iba sa simula, medyo mas madalas or mahaba eh. Usually, yung first AG meeting na yan, matagal. Parang, you get to know each other. So, tagang kwentuhan ng buhay. Minsan ganyan nangyayari. No, iyakan. May mga ganang AG na yung first meeting nila, after the first meeting, mag-aan na yung nila sa isa't isa. Okay. Huwag naman yung second meeting, jojowain mo na. Yung first meeting, dapat lang mag-aan kayo sa isa't isa. Okay. Parang okay na afterwards. Sir, okay lang ba mag-join ng new AG? Di na kasi active yung mga dati kong AG na wala sila ng PSC to crypto. Yeah, it's okay to join a new AG as long as andun na yung commitment mo. Okay? I would advise na huwag kayong madaming active AGs. Bakit? Kasi, ngayon ulit, no? Hindi ka na mag-accountable dun sa new team mo. No? Mahati yung attention mo. No? Yung effort mo. Sabihin mo, ay, hindi ako makaka-attend kasi baka may meeting ka sa kabilang AG. And so on. No? So, if you're joining an AG, be sure that you're ready to commit to that AG. Okay? Yes, pwede sa again, it's not about you being from a previous AG na wala na, alumni na wala na. It's about you ready to commit. Okay? Kung dati, di ba, kayo yung naging inactive, dapat at least tonight, no, ready na kayo. Pero kung kayo yung parang active before, at least okay lang. Hopefully, you can find your own community now, no? Yung small community. Eh, sa may taga Batangas, Laguna, alam ko may finorm kami age before na puro mga taga South. Eh. Okay? Sige. May questions pa, guys? Ano madalas sa pag-usapan sa meeting aside sa trades nyo? So, you can see naman na, I'll show you guys yung sa bonding. Hindi naman puro trades eh. Kasi nga, ang bagay ng Discord ko. Yung discuss, kunyari, about processes, about backtesting, about, pwede yung, isa-isahin talaga eh. Kung ano yung workflow natin sa Clarity, na workshop nyo. No, kunyari, hindi tayo mawala pang rules, edi yun yung gagawin mong report, no? For the week agenda nyo. Update mo lang sila, yung teammates mo. So, ganyan yung mangyayari. Tagang yung Discord ko. Okay. Bebe, yung iba minsan, intangibles pinag-uusapan, no? Kung ano yung kailangan nyo, yun important, no? Kasi baka inisip nyo masyadong formal din, no? You have to find a balance in between as well. Usually, meetings start out with, kamustahan? Wag muna kayo magsimula na very formal agad. Usually, kamustahan muna yan, no? Check up with each other, kamusta na kayo? Okay? Then afterwards, kung ano na yung agenda at hand nyo, may ba kayong i-discuss na technicals? May discuss ba kayo about the business side of trading? May ba discuss about personal development? No? And afterwards, no, kung ano pa yung mga pwede nyong gawin. Tapos finally, usually, yung mga bonding moments na. Let's see, share ko yung natin dito kung ano yung mga naging agenda nila. Okay. Yun nga papasok yung dapat lahat yung nag-i-initiate eh. Kasi pag lahat kayo nag-i-initiate, di na kayo mawagan ng pag-uusapan. You can invite people as well. No? So ito, for example, nag-invite sila Ma'am Gay, bagong age din to. No? You can invite people to speak, no? To share. Yung isa is they also do group AG sessions, no? Kaya AG1 and AG2, mag-suggest together to share best practice with one another, no, kwentuhan, mga ganun din. And so usually it's all about your weekly targets update. Kasi ang pinaka-goal ng AG is hold yourself accountable. Kung every week may ginagawa kayong progress, dapat di kayo mawala ng pag-uusapan. Nagets ba yun? Siguro mawala kayo ng pag-uusapan kapag wala ng progress at all. Ay, wala akong ma-update kasi wala akong ginawa for this week. Diba? So yun ang context eh. Kung lagi kayo may ginagawa every week, for sure, ang meeting nyo is kahit updates lang. Ito natapos ko this week. O, the next topic yan. Ito natapos this week. Diba? Pwede 30 minutes, tapos sa updates, tapos chismisan lang yun after. Yan ang mangyayari dyan minsan. No? Ayan. So, makita naman dito yung mga sino yung mga very active na AG. Invite nyo na sila. Yung mga ganun. Mga synergies. Ayan. Wiki targets update usually. Yan. Tapos share kayo. Pwedeng rotation ng sharing para hindi matagal yung oras. Ito guys, wag din masyadong matagal yung AG meeting. Kung hindi naman formal, let's say, sir, nagtagal kasi sobrang nag-close kami, nag-nanood kami ng movie. Okay lang naman yun. Pero kung natin yung formal agenda nyo, make it very light, make it very quick. No? Kunwari, yun, pwedeng ganun lang nga, rotation. Kunwari, mayroon kayong, usually, ang gagawin sa AG, updates, isang pasada, then, may isa mag-represent. Okay na yun. Ganun. Tapos, kwentuhan na lang after. Ayan. So, kita nyo, puro personal updates, then isang share. Yun lagi. Personal updates, no? Facebook, tapos isang share. Mga ganun. Ito yung, sa Mindanao, no? Nag-AG sila. Dito. Hindi nila nilagay mga agenda. Kaya ito, usually ganun talaga no? Weekly reports, self-update. Puro ganun. Actually, puro ito yung mangyayari, no? Kasi ang goal nyo is accountability. Yung iba secondary functions lang yan. Okay. Kaya nga, dapat di kayo maubusan ng pag-uusapan kasi lagi kayong ginagawa dapat na progress. Ang mawala ng pag-uusapan is those AGs na walang progress at all. Yun yung napapansin ko. Naging inactive, wala sila ma-update, namatay. Versus lahat mag-initiate ng something, may ginagawa sila activities. No? May ma-update kayo dun. Number of AG members, usually parang the healthy number is around 6 napansin ko. 6 to 8. If kung doon sa 8 na yun, may dalawang masisipa, matatanggal. May inactive. Pero parang nasa mga 6 yung healthy number. Yun yung healthy, no? Kasi pag 6 sa ulan ng dalawa, maging 4 na lang, medyo mahirap din. Pero okay lang, kung kaya niya maging strong pa yun ng context dun sa 4 na yun. Kasi hindi pwede sa maglaki ng aging, ang tagal ng ikutan. Okay? Usually, pag strong na yung context sa aging nyo, what you do is you add na lang. I-add na lang. Ayan, so ito, at least meron maganda yung scenario ni Q, no? So, at meron agenda talaga. So, ganun yung usually. Gawa kayo ng, basta, ikutin nyo lang. Na meron kayong trading related topic, meron kayong weekly updates, and meron kayong non-trading related topics, and bond. Build an emotional bond. Yun yung usual agenda na ginagawa ng mga tao. Yeah, so, thanks Q for the share. Okay? Sige. Ano pang questions, guys? So, hopefully, no, makatulong na ito. So, if meron kayong mga existing AG, pwede nyo itong i-share sa kanila. Dahil yung message natin. No? Ang mga pa is pag hindi ko kayo makahanapan ng AG na match sa inyo, ililigaw ko na lang kayo sa existing AG. So, meron kasing Cebu AG. So, pag wala talagang current na pwede maging new Cebu AG, itatry ko lang kayo isali dun sa isang existing na AG. Tatanungin ko sila. Okay. Again, guys, walang pilitan to and huwag nyo pilitin sa link to join. Mas gusto ko nga na onti sumali. Ayoko nga kasi na makarinig na parang, sir, si ganito inactive na. Para sila namang blacklist ng mga sumasali tapos di naman magko-commit eh. Okay? If you think an age will help you achieve your trading goals, ito na yun. No? Kasi iba, yun na yung kulang eh. Yung mga taong kulang sa discipline, yung mga taong kulang sa pag-deliver ng kailangan nilang gawin, you need an AG for sure. Yun yung parang hindi nyo pa natatry na possibly could turn around your trading success. Okay? Sige. Questions, guys, before I send the form. Okay? Sige. So, if wala na, simple naman yung form, no? I-send ko dito. Pero again, ang pinaka-goal dyan is yung final question, no? The final question is, are you fully committed in participating and being an active member to your accountability group? So, ito yung word for commitment. Ayan, sige. So, if you're ready to join an AG, type commit. I commit. Iyan kaya. Yeah, sure na kayo, ha? Okay, sabi niyan. I trust you guys. Okay? Sige. End natin yung meeting.
Recording stopped.
Sige. So, I'll be sending the form and uploading the recording.